Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to reset Snapchat discover feed. So simply what you need to do, just open the Snapchat app. So here you have to click on your profile. So when you click on your profile, you need to find the setting option. You can see on the top right corner setting option. Just click here and now scroll down. Now here who can option is available. In this search bar, tap on ads. So here you can go to lifestyle and interest. So here you can select option according to your choice and then go back. So in this way you can easily reset Snapchat discover feed.